Recipe I'm gonna prepare today is the baked pumpkin schnitzel. For this recipe we are gonna need 600 grams of pumpkin, 1 cup of cornstarch, 2 cups of breadcrumbs, 1 cup of oat milk, half cup of vegetable oil, 1 teaspoon of rosemary, half teaspoon of black pepper, some salt. We are gonna start by cutting the pumpkin in half. I'm gonna use a butternut squash because I think it's the perfect pumpkin type to make this recipe. Clean the pumpkin and then start slicing it. For best results for this recipe, we are gonna cut the pumpkin into 1-inch slices. Then we are gonna peel the skin before continuing with the recipe. Since this is a vegan schnitzel, we are gonna prepare now a batter which will serve as the egg substitute. We are gonna take a bowl and we are gonna put some salt, some black pepper, some rosemary, the vegetable oil and the oat milk and 2 tablespoons of cornstarch. We are gonna whisk all the ingredients well. Then we are gonna take a baking pan. We are gonna lay some parchment paper in it and sprinkle some olive oil. Then finally we are gonna prepare the pumpkin schnitzels. First, we are gonna dredge the pumpkin slices into the cornstarch. We are gonna use cornstarch because it makes the schnitzel a little bit more crunchy, but you can use also flour. And then we are gonna put them into the butter and at the end into the breadcrumbs. We are going to repeat the same for all the pumpkin slices. So first into the cornstarch, then into the butter, and at the end into the breadcrumbs. Then when everything is ready, sprinkle some olive oil on top and bake it for 35 minutes into a preheated oven at 440 Fahrenheit. Then now they are ready. You can serve it with a little bit of salad and enjoy it.